Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
What are inventions? Inventions. When we refer to invention, we refer to something that has never been made before, or a process of creating something that has never been made before. Inventions are things that appear at some point in time for the first time. Now, inventions, as per this definition, could either manifest as a product or it could manifest as a process. So, inventions are broadly used to refer to products and processes that have never been made before, in the sense that they appear at a particular point for the first time in human history. Inventions have also been used synonymously with patents, in the sense that if you look at a usage of the word invention in one of the popular dictionaries, you will find that one of the usages is if you don't patent your inventions, other people may make all the profit out of it. Now, this is how Cambridge Dictionary defines an invention. So, invention and patents are used together to convey the message of what inventions are. Let's look at some examples of inventions that have crossed human history. Structure of the wheel, covered by a patent in the United States. Now I've just presented the diagram of the structure of the wheel. It's an old patent, 1906. The compass, again covered by a patent, and this is again a patent which was filed in 1934 and granted in 1936. The printing press, covered by a very early US patent in the year 1847. The telephone, again covered by a US patent, A.G. Bell, you can find the inventor's name on top, again granted a patent in 1876. Penicillin, covered by a US patent, and this is how the first page of the patent looks. Electric bulb, again covered by a US patent, and you can find Edison's name on top. Electric motor, covered by a patent, and this is the diagram of the electric motor, and you can find Tesla's name on top as the inventor's name. Internal combustion engine, again covered by a patent, and you will find the inventor's name as Rudolf Diesel. Airplane, the first flying machine, was again covered by a US patent, and the Wright brothers were the inventors. Television, again covered by a US patent, and this patent was filed in 1927. Now, the thing to note is that invention has to be in some technology. So, invention should fall within some technology. If there is no technology, we don't regard that as an invention under patent law. So, invention should be something that is related to a technology, and that is what we call a field of invention.